Chapter 5, Food and Health. Look at the given pictures. Which of these foods are good for your health and which one harms you? Discuss with your friend. Please answer the question and write your answers in the chat box. We need food to remain alive and healthy. But will all sort of food make us healthy? Are all foods that we eat good for our health? Let us study about food that keep us healthy. Nutrition. We obtain our food from plants and animals. The food is made up of many different components called nutrition. A nutrition is a substance that provides nourishment to help us grow and remain fit and healthy. Balanced diet. There are 5 main nutrients that are needed by our body: carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, and minerals. We should eat the right amounts of each nutrition in order to remain healthy. A diet that contains all the nutrients in the right amount as required by our body to remain fit and healthy is called a balanced diet. Why do we need a balanced diet? We need a balanced diet because our organs need proper nutrition to work properly. If we do not get good nutrition, our body becomes more prone to diseases, infections, fatigue, and poor performance. A balanced diet is needed for good memory, concentration, and proper development of the mind. Children with a poor diet do not have proper physical and mental growth. A balanced diet helps in maintaining an ideal body weight. Rising levels of obesity and diabetes among people at a young age are the effects of a poor diet and a lack of exercise. This is a chart showing the food we should eat more and eat less. These are divided into food groups: fruits and vegetables, rice and alternatives we should eat more; meat and alternatives, fats, oil, salt, and sugar used in small amounts should be consumed less. Components of a balanced diet. Component: carbohydrates. Function: provides energy to the body, energy giving food. Sources: cereals like rice, wheat, etc., fruits, potatoes, sugar. Component: fats. Needed in small quantities to provide energy to the body, energy giving food. Oil, butter, cheese, cream, ghee, milk. Proteins. Needed for growth, building muscles, and repair of tissues, bodybuilding food. Eggs, pulses, meat, fish, soya bean, cheese, and milk. Vitamins. Needed in small quantities to prevent diseases and to stay healthy. Protective food. Fruits, green leafy vegetables, fish, eggs. Minerals like iron, calcium, iodine, etc. Needed in small quantities for protection from diseases and to stay healthy. Protective food: vegetables, fruits, eggs, milk. Roughage and water. Apart from above mentioned nutrients, our body needs roughage and water too for proper functioning. Foods like green vegetables, fruits, and cereals contain fibers that cannot be digested completely. These fibers are known as roughage. It does not provide any nutrition to our body, but it helps in the removal of waste material from the body. It adds to the bulk of the food and helps in the movement of food through the intestines. Water is a very important part of a diet. It helps in proper digestion of food and is an essential part of blood and other fluids present in the body. Water also helps in maintaining the body temperature and in removal of waste from a body. in the form of urine and sweat. It is important to drink about 6 to 8 glasses of clean water throughout the day. Junk food. Foods like candies, pizzas, french fries, salted snack foods, carbonated drinks, etc., contain high levels of calories from sugar or fat, but very little amount of nutrients like protein, vitamins, and minerals. Such foods are called as junk foods. The calories in junk foods are empty calories as they do not provide any nutritional benefit. Our body is not able to utilize all the excess fats and sugar present in these foods. This gets stored in the body in the form of fat, leading to weight gain and poor health. Adverse effects of eating junk food. Eating a diet high on junk may lead to serve complications like it leads to diseases like obesity, high blood pressure, and diabetes, which can further cause heart attacks and strokes. It can cause memory and learning problems. Eating junk food regularly can deteriorate our memory. Eating too many calories can interface with the healthy production and functioning of the chemicals present in the brain. These foods can restrict our ability to think, recall, or create memories. These foods are highly addictive and suppress our desires and appetite for healthy foods. They contain certain chemicals that lead to depression. Making diet healthier. We can make our diet healthier in the following ways. We should avoid junk food and eat a balanced diet. Very little oil and salt should be used for cooking. More fruits and vegetables should be consumed. Simple methods like soaking and sprouting grains unlock the minerals present in them, and our body absorbs them easily. Sprouting makes the grains easily digestible and more nutritious. Fermentation unlocks even more nutritional power. The fermented foods increase the absorption of important minerals. Dishes like idlis, dosas, and dhoklas use fermented batter. Diseases caused by unhealthy diet and lifestyle. It is essential that we take a balanced diet and follow a healthy lifestyle to stay fit and active. Regular exercise and rest are also very necessary to maintain good health. If we do not have a healthy lifestyle, we may suffer from many diseases like obesity, anemia, diabetes, and high blood pressure. These diseases are called lifestyle diseases. Obesity. Overeating of carbohydrates and fats lead to the condition called obesity. This condition is increasing at an alarming rate due to poor eating habits and lack of physical exercise. Fried foods, unhealthy snacks, and junk foods are a major contributing factor. The unused carbohydrates and fats get stored under the skin and our body in the form of fat, leading to our becoming overweight and obese. Tiredness and lack of energy are also symptoms of obesity. Anemia. Anemia is a condition that develops due to a deficiency of iron in our body. Patients of anemia feel tired very easily, appear pale, feel short of breath, and may develop heart problems too. This complication can be treated by taking a diet rich in iron like dark green leafy vegetables, dried fruits, nuts, and iron fortified cereals. Diabetes. Diabetes is a condition in which the level of sugar in the blood rises more than normal. Overweight and obese people have a much higher risk of developing diabetes compared to those with a healthy body weight. People who have fat around the abdomen are at an even greater risk. Eating an unhealthy diet, high in sugar and fats, and being physically inactive contributes to developing diabetes. Some early symptoms of diabetes are that patient feels more tired, thirstier, and hungrier than normal. They may have a dry mouth, itchy skin, and blurred vision too. High blood pressure. Our blood exerts a pressure on the walls of the blood vessels. Sometimes this pressure increases and the condition is known as high blood pressure. It is caused due to unhealthy lifestyle like eating a diet in salt and fat and lack of physical activity. Generally, this disease does not have any symptoms, but sometimes the patients may have a mild to severe headache, anxiety, shortness of breath, and even nosebleeds. Prevention. To prevent these conditions, it is necessary to eat a well balanced diet, avoid overeating, and exercising regularly to burn off the extra fat. We must also maintain a healthy weight. Defensive diseases. We have seen the importance of different nutrition in a diet. If a body does not get any of the nutrition in sufficient amount, we may suffer from diseases. The diseases that are caused by the deficiency of a nutrition in a body are known as defensive diseases. Some common defensive diseases are, their causes and symptoms are: nutrition of protein. Diseases symptoms: kwashiorkor, fatigue, diarrhea, failure to grow or gain weight, swelling of ankles, feet, and belly. Nutrition available in meal, eggs, fish, pulses, soybean, milk, beans, nuts, meat, etc. Proteins and carbohydrates. Marasms, diarrhea and respiratory infections, weight loss, intellectual disability, stunted growth. Meat, eggs, fish, pulses, vegetables, fruits, grains, milk, nuts, etc. Vitamin A, night blindness, dry eyes. Milk, butter, fish, eggs, green leafy vegetables, papaya, mango, tomato, carrot. Vitamin C, berry. Feeling tired, loss of appetite, weakness of nerves, mouth blisters. Milk, eggs, carrot, green leafy vegetables, meat, cereals, unpolished rice. Vitamin C, scurvy, swelling and bleeding of gums. Citrus foods like oranges, lemon, amla, green leafy vegetables, pulses, sprouts. Vitamin D, rickets, weak bow-shaped legs, weak bones and teeth. Milk, eggs, cheese, paneer, early morning sunlight. Iron, anemia, feeling tired, lack of hemoglobin in the blood, green leafy vegetables, meat, beetroot, dried dates, apples, pomegranates. We have learned that nutrition is a substance that provides nourishment to help us grow and remain fit and healthy. A diet that contains all the nutrition in the right amount as required by our body to remain fit and healthy is called a balanced diet. Carbohydrates are the nutrition that provide us with energy, hence they are also called as energy giving foods. Fats are also energy giving foods. Proteins are called as bodybuilding foods. Foods rich in vitamins and minerals are called protective foods. Foods like green leaf vegetables, fruits, and cereals contain fibers that cannot be digested completely. These fibers are known as roughage. Water helps in proper digestion of food and is an essential part of blood and other fluids present in the body. The diseases that are caused by the deficiency of a nutrition in a body are known as deficiency diseases. The diseases Sometimes some chemicals, colors, or other inferior quality items are added to food to increase its quantity, to lower the price, or make it attractive. This process is called food adulteration, and such food is called adulterated food. So, hey guys, this is the end of a chapter 5, food and health. सो मैंने इस चैप्टर में बहुत सारी स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक्स की, जैसे लास्ट में अडल्ट्रेटेड फूड को, और फर्स्ट वाले में न्यूट्रिशन इज़ अ सब्सटेंस दैट प्रोवाइड्स, मैं एंड टू रिमेन फिट एंड हेल्दी टू बोलना भूल गई, और कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स में are the nutrition that provide us with energy, hence they are called as energy giving foods. मैंने इस चैप्टर में बहुत गलती की, तो आई एम रियली सॉरी. आई होप यू लाइक द वीडियो. सो थैंक यू एंड बाय बाय. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.